Hi, good morning, beautiful people. How is everyone doing here? All right. Good morning, guys. It's 9 a.m. here in Malaysian time. It's a beautiful Sunday. How's everyone doing there? My name is Sifu Wong. For those who just joined the session, who just came across this channel, please make sure that you subscribe to this channel so that you doesn't miss any important videos. Okay, the link below this video. Please subscribe to this YouTube channel and welcome to our crypto talk. Now, today's session is going to be pretty simple and pretty straightforward. And why do I led to this session is because okay, some of the students here has been mentioning that they Sifu, when I woke up from sleep and I tend to miss the trade, I tend to miss the opportunity. Now, you see, missing an opportunity in trading is going to be bad. You see, it just kind of I should have placed that trade earlier on. Okay, and some of us who had just came across the MTS course, then they probably know that how we did it that way, how they managed to catch all those changes that's happening in the market, and that is all good. Now the question here is that when is going to be the best time for us to trade? Okay, now before I give you the answer, before I give you my preference, what is going to be the best time for me to trade, I'm going to ask you back. Normally, most of the time, what is the best time that you normally trade? Okay, key in or type in the answer in the comment section. What was the best time that you normally trade? Now, very good morning, and it's 9 a.m. here in Malaysia. And for those who are watching it together with me live, just drop me a comment and say hi. At least I know that who is watching live together with me. And for those who are watching this video on the replay, please type on the comment section hashtag replay so that at least I know who actually had came across this video. Thank you so much, guys. Good morning for thank you for dropping by as well. And today's topic, we are going to talk about a very interesting one. And just this is to like avoid you from making this mistake of missing out. Now, when you come to like missing out, in a lot of cases, like when we went to sleep, then as soon as we woke up, then you feel like, oh my God, the Bitcoin price has already reached out to a certain extent, and I tend to miss the trade. All right. But however, for those who are in the Crypto Lab Facebook group, you will notice that whichever movement that is happening in the market, and most of the time I manage to catch it, be it it's going up or even going down. All right. So how did I manage to do that? All right. Now you see, the question is, it doesn't mean that when you come into trading, you need to be like in front of the computer all the time to monitor the movement. No, yeah, I'm not expecting anyone to actually do that, because it's not going to work. You see, because like for example, like myself, and I need to work during the daytime, and I have to teach during the evening time, and then after that only I have time to just look at a chart in order for me to chart it and also place my trade. Now the question here is that when is going to be supposed to be the best time for us to trade? Now, especially for those full-time trader, now do you think that they are going to sit in front of the computer all the time or for the whole day to just to become a day trader? No, actually not. There are certain period of time that is the movement in the market tends to be more active. But in order for us to grab the best time for us to trade, it was actually not a specific time at all, especially when it comes to crypto trading. Because unlike Forex, you see, Forex, you have this international market exchange opening and closing time, specific days of the week, specific time of the day. Now, you need to actually take notes of the changes of the volatility of price movement when the market open or when the market closes. Now, unlike Forex, crypto trading is 24/7. There is no market opening, there's no market closing. So, literally, you can trade 24/7 all the time, anytime, anywhere. So now the question lies behind when should be the best time when to trade. All right. So leave me a comment below that what is the best time that you normally trade your crypto? Okay. Do you look at in front of your computer or in front of your a phone all the time in order for you to capture those volatility or the movement in the market, or there are some specific time that you normally look at a chart and place your trade? Now, let me know in the comment section below what is the best time that you normally trade before I give you the answer and my opinion on when it's going to be the best time for you to place a trade. All right. Let me just hang on for a while and see what are the questions from the group right here. And whoever is watching together with me, good morning to you. Please drop me a hi so at least I know that someone is here together with me. And for those who are watching this video on the replay, please comment in this comment section below, hashtag replay. At least I know that who had actually watched this video. Good morning to you. Hello, whoever it is. Right. When you come to commenting in StreamYard, you need to allow StreamYard to display your name. If not, your name is going to be appearing as a Facebook user. So practically, I don't know who is this, but anyway, thanks for watching. Good morning and welcome to the Crypto Talk session. All right, now since there's not many people around here during the live sessions right here, so just drop me a comment, hashtag replay when you came across this video. All right, now good morning. There's another person that came in. Good morning. Thank you very much for dropping by. Just drop me a hi so that at least I know that someone is watching together with me live here in this beautiful morning. And okay, now let's get back to the question, guys. Okay, the topic for today, it is all about, oh, first time right here. Thank you very much for watching. Cool. All right. So because I couldn't see your name and as you haven't allowed StreamYard to display your name, so your name will be appeared as a Facebook user. So whichever, whoever it is, thank you very much for dropping by and watching together with me in this Crypto Talk episode 9 right here. Now, let's go back to the topic on when is the best time that we should actually trade. All right, cool. All right, now when you come to crypto trading, as I mentioned before, it is going to be a 24/7 trading time. Okay, there's no market opening, there's no market closing. So when is going to be the best time for you to place a trade in the market so that you can gain that massive profits and also the certain movement and also the whole leg, as we call it in swing trading. Now, the best time to trade in crypto trading, especially drum roll, please. The answer is going to be it's anytime, right? So why it is anytime, but there is a specific timing that the movement is going to be a little bit more active. Okay, so as I mentioned just right before this, the crypto market is moving 24/7. There is no closing, there is no opening time. So literally you can trade anytime, right? So the best time to trade your crypto is basically anytime. But however, I will only trade specific range, I would say. Okay, so I don't really look at my laptop all the time because I don't have to, and I don't have the privilege to have the time to look at the computer all the time or even my phone all the time. So what do I do is when I do my charting, I need to kind of do some level of speculation where the movement should go. Then I will place a conditional trade. So if the movement really goes that way and it triggers my trade, and it happens to be maybe it is during the time when I was sleeping or maybe during the time when I was not looking at my computer or my phone, then I won't miss that opportunity. But however, do not look at the computer all the time in order for you to catch a certain volatility or movement in the market, because a very small movement will trigger your trade. And if you are watching the changes in terms of the volatility, you might got panic and you might got stopped out, or maybe you stop your a drawdown trade too early. Okay, so imagine this: your trade has been triggered and it is running on a drawdown. Okay, maybe like 50% or 100% or 200%. So what should you do? Should you just cancel it? Should you just cut loss and just end your trade? So now that's why the reason is we are not supposed to look at the computer all the time when you come to especially day trading. All right, so now the best time to trade is during a big or I would say like a moderate to big movement, be it is go on the uptrend or even on the downtrend. Now, when is the best time to trade? As I said, it's going to be any time, but what is the worst time not to trade? All right, so you should know this as well, you see. So if you know that when it's kind of like the best time to trade is whenever the coin is moving. Now the worst time to trade is when the coin is moving in a range. All right, so I've told this many times before. When any coins moving in a range means that for the past few hours or maybe for the past few days it has been moving within a range. Now, this is the time that we should avoid trading at all time, because why? The moment when you thought that it's going to go up, you place a long position. Then the moment when it is in trading, if the trade was triggered, then it goes down. Then you thought that it was trying to goes down, then you place a short position and it goes up. All right, it happens a lot of time when it is the market or the coin, particular coin that you are trading right there, it is moving in a ranging position. All right. So when in the ranging market, try to avoid trading at all times. And whenever the range has been broken up or broken down, that's the moment that you should place your trade. But however, how do we know when it's going to go up, when it's going to go down to broke that range? I don't know. So with that being said, guys, you are not supposed to watch the movement all the time. The moment when you broke up, wow, I placed the trade now. It broke down, I placed the trade now. No, that's not supposed to be, you see. So you're supposed to make sure that you have placed your conditional trade. The moment when you broke out from the range, then automatically your trade will be triggered and it will be running into profit. All right. Now, of course, when you set a conditional trade, you also need to make sure that you set your stop loss as well. Now, why is that so? Okay, most of the time when I am in have the privilege to be in front of the computer, I normally don't set my stop loss yet. But however, in order for you to not miss out any chances of volatility or movement right there, it is advisable that when you place a conditional trade, always place your stop loss. Okay, so this is just to prevent that if, let's say, in an event the trade has been triggered during when you sleep, all right, then it kind of like it triggered has been running and is trading. And what if it's run down into drawdown? So if your wallet is not sufficient, the size of your wallet is not sufficient, especially when you're playing on the cross mode, it might run into liquidation, all right, without you even knowing that. So that is why always place a stop loss when you place a conditional trade, especially during when you sleep. Unless you say that, I'm okay, I'll just leave my computer open, I'll just have a glance at it from time to time. That is all fine. So that everything is in control and you will notice what is the as I would say that a shocking movement or the shocking U-turn that happening in the market right here. Okay, so the best time to trade, guys, is whenever the market is moving. So literally, it's anytime. All right, the market has been trading 24/7 in the crypto market, and yeah, you just need to make sure that whenever there is a big movement, be it is going up or even going down, that's the time that you should actually take note and play some trade over that. All right, so in order for you to know that, you need to have some specific skills to identify whether this coin has it been moving in range or when did the next directions that it expected to happen for that particular coin that you would like to trade, and place a conditional trade over that. Okay, so when you place a conditional trade, just make sure that you set a certain level of stop loss to allow the movement to trade. All right, so that this is just to avoid your trade to run into a liquidation. Now, we do not want to have that, especially when you're playing on a cross mode. All right, guys, that's all for today, guys. The best time to trading is whenever the market is moving. Okay, but to avoid from liquidation, always set a conditional trade and also set a stop loss, and also avoid to trade when it comes into a ranging market. Okay, so when it move in a range, avoid trading. Just hang on, chill out, just have some ice cream, have some coffee, maybe just chill out. It will tend to break that range. Somehow it's either going up or going down, right? So set a conditional trade over there. All right. So I hope you enjoyed this topic today. And for those who just came across this video or just came across this YouTube channel, please do subscribe to our YouTube channel, link in the description below. And for those who are watching this video, please type hashtag replay so that at least I know that who had came across this video. And for those who would like to try trading for free, please sign up for your free Bybit account, link in the description as well, where you can trade for free and you can start experiencing what is the thrill of having this manual trading in the exchange straight away and also gain massive profit. And for those who would like to gain massive profit, like the rest of our students and also myself, in the meta trading strategy course, I will actually teach you not one but 13 strategies. The link is in this description of this video as well. So click onto the web page, have some information, do a little bit of read up to understand a little bit more on what are we offering in the meta trading strategy course in order for us to gain that massive profits in the crypto market. So that's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in the next video next week. Have a great weekend ahead and bye bye.